So good morning students, welcome to the fourth part of chapter 5, that is tables in Word. In previous classes we have learned a lot of tools through which we were editing the table. Now we will learn some of the tools through which we can format the table. That means we can make it more attractive and we can give some designs to the table. So let's start. So the topics which we are going to discuss today, that is formatting a table and border and shading. So let's start with formatting a table. Now, formatting a table generally means the process of making the table more attractive and using the different styles is called formatting. So let's see how we can do this and what are the things which we can do for making the table attractive. So let's see the steps through which we can make our table more attractive. Now the first step is to select the table. After selecting the table, you need to go in the design tab, and in design tab, you will get the table styles group. As you can see in the right side figure, this is the table styles group, and these are the different table styles which have been provided by MS Word, which is available in design tab. So first you need to click on the table for selecting the table, then the design tab and the layout tab will appear. Then you need to go in the design tab, then click on the downward arrow, and the list of the table styles will appear. Select whichever table style you prefer, and that table style will be applied on your table. So let's see this on MS Word application. So let's open MS Word. Now the first step was to click on the table for selecting the table. So first let's click on the table move handle for selecting the table. Once the table is selected, go in the design tab, and in design tab here is the table styles group. Just click on the downward arrow here, and the list of table styles will appear. Now whichever table style you like, click on that table style and that table style will be applied on your table. For example, suppose if I want this table style, click on that and the table style will be applied on the table. So there are plenty of table styles available. You can select whichever table style you prefer, and according to that the design of the table will change. So as you can see there, this style has been applied whichever you have selected. So right now you can see that the design tab and the layout tab both are missing because we haven't selected the table. Now design tab and layout tab will only appear when your table is selected. So let's select the table first. So click on the table anywhere you can click. So whenever you will click on the table, the design tab and the layout tab will appear. Go in the design tab, click on the downward arrow in the table styles group and select whichever table style you prefer, and according to that the design of the table will change. So this is what we can do the formatting of a table. You can even change the color according to your choice. If you want different color in the table, you can select different colors by clicking on the shading option, and then you can select whichever color you prefer, or else you can click on the downward arrow in the table styles group, and then you can go in the modify table style, click on that, and then you can select whichever table style you prefer. You can create your own table style as we were doing in Word style. In the same way you can create the table style also. You can select different border styles, whichever border design you prefer, you can select that. You can select the thickness of the border, you can select the colors for the border. Whichever you color you prefer, you can select that color. For example, suppose if I select red color, then the red color will be applied to the border. If you want the table color to be changed, then you need to click on this option which is available in the first line. Click on the automatic option here, downward arrow, and then select whichever color you prefer, and the color of the table will change. Sorry, color of the text will change. And here is the table color option. So whichever color you will select, that color will be applied in the cell. So there are different options available which you can use for changing the table style or even for creating your own table style. Now let's move to our next topic of today. So let's see what is the next topic. And next topic is border and shading. Now, border and shading, by the name or by the heading, you can easily identify that this is related with the border of the table, and the shading, that means the color of the table. Now, border and shading is the option through which we can give different designs to the table borders and the colors inside the table cell. And the steps which you need to follow for doing this is, first you need to select the table, because unless we don't select the table, the design tab and layout tab will not be available. So first we need to select the table, then we need to go in the design tab. In design tab, border and shading groups will be there. So this is the border and shading group which you can see in the right side of the figure. So if you want the colors of the cells to change, then you will select the shading option. If you want to change the border style of the table, then select what the different border option available in the borders group. So let's see this on MS Word application practically how it works. Now, for example, let's make this table first normal, or let's insert a new table first. So let's delete this table. So right click on the table move handle and select the delete table option for deleting the table. Go in the insert tab, click on the table option, and let's insert a table of 4 rows and 5 columns. Inserted. Let's increase the table size a little bit. Now suppose I want red color in the first row. So for that, first I need to select the first row. After selecting the row, go in the design tab, click on the shading option, and then select whichever color you want in that cell, selected cell, and that color will be applied. Now suppose if you want different color in the first column, then select the first column. Go in the design tab, click on the shading option, and then select whichever color you prefer there, and that color will be applied in the table, only in the selected cell or selected row column. So this was shading option. That means giving the different colors to the table. Now let's see the border option. Again, for border option, first we need to select the table. So let's click on the table move handle. The table will be selected. Go in the design tab, and here in the borders group, select the border styles option, and then you can select whichever border style you prefer. And for example, I'm selecting this one, and you can see that mouse pointer has changed into a pen shape. The moment you will select the design, the mouse pointer will change to a pen shape. Then in whichever border you want to give that design, you need to click and drag that pen point on that border line, and the design of the border will change. For example, right now you can see that the inner borders are of single line and that is of black color. So let's change the inner column lines to double lines and of different color. So select the table, go in the design tab, click on the border style option, select whatever border style you prefer. So I'm selecting this blue double line option. Now my mouse pointer has changed into a pen shape. Now just click and drag on the line which you want to change, and it will change. Now you can see that on the line on which I'm moving the mouse pointer, on which I'm clicking and dragging the pen tool, that line is changing into the design which I have selected. So like this, you can change the design of all the borders in your table. And now you can see all the inner column lines has been converted into a two-sided line, two lines, double lines, and of blue color. So you can change the border style, you can change the colors, you can even apply colors to a single cell. For example, suppose if you want a different color in this particular cell, then place the typing cursor in that cell, go in the design tab, click on the shading option, and then select whatever color you want in that cell, and the color will be applied. Now if you want to change the border style, then go in the design tab. After selecting the table, select the border styles option, and then you can select whatever the border style you prefer. For example, suppose this time I'm taking this yellow color double line, and then you can click and drag that pen tool on the line on which you want to apply that border design, and that design will change. So as many times or as many lines you want to change, you can click and drag the pen tool on that line and the line will change. So with this, our class ends here. In next class, we'll see some more tools. Till then, keep studying, stay healthy, stay at home, everyone, and bye.